did this video for Shepherd. It's the beginning of the new year and it's 77 degrees. My first beach day. I did a memorial on the beach because Shepherd liked the beach even though he didn't walk the beach. Took him to the nature trails. He sat in the car. And look at the nice little memorial for Sheppy in the sand. And it's sunsetting. He was a good dog. He didn't suffer. Shepherd went out quick. Short and sweet. No suffering. He said, I'm out of here. He didn't even whine or whimper. He took it like a dog. When his time was up, 13 years, so long. He lived 3 years beyond what the Lord promised him. But I do miss little Shepherd. Goodbye, Shepherd. May you rest in peace. Where you are resting in peace. You off of this earth. You don't have to hunt bones. You know, you have a table full of bones in the Lord's house. Whatever you want to eat. What a beautiful day. Life is like these waters. Comes in, the tide comes in, the tide goes out. And a new tide comes in. It's the seasons of our life. But we'll see Shepherd again in his newly formed, everlasting body. Looking for some seashells to pick for Shepherd. We got a little memorial set up for him in the backyard. I'm trying to find some shells. I guess this isn't the season for shells. They usually have a lot of colorful ones. Let's see. The tide's coming in. Try to get my butt out of here. Can't swim. Oh wait, here's the shells.